Hey everybody, this is Rob Harrell from MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are going over a boat we are taking in on brokerage right now. This is a 2022 Scout XSF 240. This boat is in shark gray, full color hull, Mercury 300 Verado on the back, painted Scout white. This boat only has 40 hours on it. It is literally almost brand new. We have Seadeck on the aft of the boat, ski tow bar on the back of the boat. You can see we have a walk-through transom door. We have seating that pulls out in the rear. This boat has fresh and raw water washdown. Live well right over here. Upgraded tower. Tackle box storage. Igloo cooler underneath. Rod holders. This boat has rocket launchers. This is also in the midnight package, so all the grab handles and all the things are going to be powder coated black. This boat also has the upgraded Grigio interior, which is a light and dark gray leather-like feel. Flip down seats with Seadeck for feet rest. Also has 12-inch upgraded screen, LED indicators, Mercury vessel view, Edson steering wheel. This boat is also equipped with an overboard discharge head, porcelain, self-contained. We also have storage for a teak bow table. This boat up front has forward LED lights, backrests that slide in and out, huge lounge seat with a fish box underneath. You also have insulated fish box and coolers on both sides, port and starboard. This is where your teak table is going to set up. This also has the upgraded deluxe stereo package, JL audio. Also has bow rod cup holder, so you can run a front shade system on this boat as well. If you would like to see this boat, please give us a call at 843-747-1889, Charleston Marine Max. Y'all have a great day.